Imagine witnessing the colossal forces of the universe at work. Two supermassive black holes hurtling toward each other in a cosmic dance that will reshape an entire galaxy. Today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of space, exploring a star that's bubbling with gas so massive it's 75 times larger than our sun. We're also uncovering new volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon, Io, a place so volatile it's unlike anything we've ever seen in the solar system. But that's not all. For the first time ever, astronomers have mapped the magnetic fields of the sun's corona in unprecedented detail. These findings are key to understanding space weather. Those breathtaking auroras you love? They're just the beginning. The same forces that create these light shows can also unleash solar storms that affect life here on Earth. I know it's a lot to take in, but stay with me, because these discoveries are transforming how we understand the universe around us. Each one of these stories is a puzzle piece in the grand tapestry of space, a glimpse into events so powerful they shape galaxies, moons, and stars. Let's begin with a cosmic event that's both terrifying and mesmerizing, the impending collision of two supermassive black holes. Imagine this, two of the most powerful forces in the universe, each containing the massive millions, if not billions of suns, are spiraling toward each other in a gravitational dance. It's not just a slow drift. These giants are locked in a collision course that will eventually lead to one of the most violent and awe-inspiring events we can witness in the universe. Galaxies collide, and in the heart of these galaxies lie black holes, pulling everything into their inescapable gravity. Over time, as these galaxies merge, the black holes will do the same, creating a single, ultramassive black hole. The energy released during this process will send ripples through the very fabric of space-time, what we call gravitational wave. It's a reminder of just how immense and active the universe is, constantly evolving in ways that are almost impossible for us to fully grasp. What makes this event so extraordinary is that it gives us a direct glimpse into the life cycles of galaxies. When these black holes finally merge, the galaxy they reside in will be forever changed. Its shape, its stars, everything redefined by this colossal event. It's almost like watching the universe breathe, each breath creating something entirely new. We might be far from witnessing the final moment, but with the technology we have today, we can track this process as it happens, step by step, knowing that in the distant future, these black holes will collide in a burst of unimaginable energy. Now let's turn our attention to a star that's doing something truly extraordinary, R Doradus, a giant star bubbling with gas in ways we've never seen before. Imagine a star so massive that it's 350 times larger than our sun, and on its surface, enormous bubbles of gas, like 75 times bigger than the sun itself, are rising and falling like the surface of a boiling pot. For the first time, we've been able to capture these movements in stunning detail, giving us a window into the inner workings of a star far beyond our solar system. These bubbling motions are the result of intense convection within the star. As hot gas rises and cooler gas sinks, it's like watching the heartbeat of a star pulsating with energy. What's truly fascinating is that R Doradus is relatively close to us, only 180 light years away, making it a perfect candidate for detailed observation. And now, for the first time in history, we've captured real images of this process. Thanks to the ALMA telescope, this discovery opens a new chapter in our understanding of stellar life cycles, showing us just how dynamic and complex these massive celestial bodies are. The more we learn about stars like R Doradus, the more we realize how much there is still to uncover about the forces that shape the universe. Let's journey to one of the most volcanically active places in the entire solar system, Jupiter's moon, Io. This strange and fiery world is constantly reshaping itself, with hundreds of active volcanoes spewing molten lava across its surface. But what's truly astonishing is that after 25 years since our last close look, NASA's Juno spacecraft has now captured images of a brand new volcano on Io, a volcano that didn't even exist during the Galileo mission. Imagine the raw power needed to create a volcanic eruption on a moon so far from the sun, in the cold, distant reaches of our solar system. Io is no ordinary moon. Its intense volcanic activity is driven by the massive gravitational forces of Jupiter, which stretches and pulls the moon in a constant tug-of-war, heating it up from the inside. It's this tidal heating that causes Io's surface to be in a state of constant upheaval, making it a world in perpetual motion. The discovery of this new volcano is a reminder that Io is still full of surprises, and despite being over 390 million miles from Earth, it's one of the most dynamic places we know of. Every eruption reshapes the landscape, covering old surfaces with fresh lava and giving scientists a glimpse into volcanic processes that are unlike anything we experience here on Earth. With Juno's recent flybys, we're not just learning more about Io's volcanic activity, we're getting a closer look at the sheer power of Jupiter's influence on its moons. Each discovery on Io brings us closer to understanding how gravitational forces can create such extreme environments, even in the darkest corners of the solar system.